The screen expected closer to the summer of 2019 flagship OnePlus 7, if you believe insiders, will not have the notorious cutout in the upper part of the screen under the front camera. Allegedly, the manufacturer decided to leave a small hole under it, thanks to which the smartphone will seem absolutely frameless. Due to this design, the smartphone display will take 95% of the front surface without having to resort to a sliding front camera or a slider form factor, like the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 and Huawei Honor Magic 2. However, in some cases, the hole will still interfere with the device user. If the lack of a cutout in the OnePlus 7 display can be categorized as rumor, then information about the lack of support for 5G networks comes from representatives of the Chinese company itself. The latter said that the successor of the recently released 6T will not receive such an option. It is believed that in 2019, the active deployment of 5th generation networks in many countries of the world should begin. At the same time, the data download speed promises to increase to 5 bit/s. For comparison, even the most advanced in terms of LTE mobile networks, the Huawei Mate 20 is limited to a ceiling of 1.4 Gbps. However, the conclusions of most experts still agree that the introduction of 5G will take more than a year or even two. The issue of the release of 5th generation smartphones is undoubtedly a matter of prestige for manufacturers, but there will be little real benefit. In this regard, we can recall Apple, which was in no hurry to equip the very first iPhone even with 3G support, and then suspended with LTE. Moreover, the first 4G Apple phones were initially intended exclusively for the American market. So the lack of 5G support should not hurt the success of OnePlus 7. However, this option can get OnePlus 7T, the output of which is expected in the autumn of 2019. In the publications of insiders there was also an alternative version, according to which the company is preparing a certain alternative flagship, which will receive a number of advanced options. Other possible characteristics of the 7s from OnePlus, which are mentioned in the leaks: Qualcomm Snapdragon 8150 chipset, 8GB of RAM, triple main camera 24MP plus 12MP plus 8MP, Android 9.0 Pie and 4150 mAh battery with support for fast charging. Charge the next generation.